The Evora GT410 Sport is the newest variant combining the powertrain of the Evora Sport 410 with the aero of the Evora GT430 Sport, effectively the replacement for the Sport 410. It takes everything the Lotus team learned developing the GT430 and applied it to a slightly less power vehicle. That means you have extensive use of carbon fiber and optional rear seat delete. It weighs as little as 2,770 pounds, with the optional titanium exhaust 60 pounds less than the already light Evora Sport 410. It develops 211 pounds of downforce at 190 miles per hour. As you may have guessed, the engine has 410 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque. That's linked to a 6-speed manual or automatic. The manual gets to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds, while the auto needs 3.9 seconds, though the manual has a higher top speed, 190 versus 171 for the auto.